To set a custom notification sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to the Samsung folder in the app drawer and then open the My Files app. So I assume that your custom notification sound is saved on the phone's storage, you have it saved on your phone. If that's the case, then what you can do is you can go to the audio category in here. Next, we need to press and hold our finger on the sound that we wish to set as the notification sound. So let's say I'm gonna select this one. You want to press and hold your finger on that sound. And once it is selected, we're gonna choose the move option in the bottom left corner. Now in here, we're gonna tap on the internal storage. Then among these folders, you should be able to find notifications. You want to select it and then decide to move here. After that, we're gonna go back to the home screen and then open settings. In settings, go to the sounds and vibration option. Then we're gonna choose notification sound. And at the top of the list, you should be able to find the custom section and you should be able to find your sound in here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.